Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Hadin gajinya ki kabalane alajan shitayo Kyntiew de Nonghikai Skul Adhoc kibadan hapo ka Shatri jong ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya khaddo yawai ka Sorkar Jylla ha ka las new blade jong ka Sautari ubnai naitung arajar arpu ar kala shim nya ka rai ban Kyntiew ya ka Tulop jong Nonghikai Skul Adhoc hapo ka Jylla baro ka wei menteri rangba jong ka Jylla Konrad Kongres sangma ha ka jingya kren bat kilat pathai khubor ulayatho baka kinhon menteri kala shim nya ka rai ban Kyntiew ya Tulop Nonghikai Skul Adhoc da khandai Hajar bad henreu Hajar tingka kata nado ka kerdan higher secondary hado ka kerdan lower primary bakinthom ya Nonghikai ha ka subject science ha ka subject Hindi bad ki 4 teachers katkum gani ka rai na ka benta Nonghikai Adhoc higher secondary badi Nonghikai ya ka subject science ka kinhon menteri kala rai ban Kyntiew Tulop da khandai Hajar kat ba ya Nonghikai Adhoc upper primary lower primary ya Nonghikai kaya ka subject Hindi bat kinthobru yaki 4 teachers ka kinhon menteri kala rai ban Kyntiew Tulop da henreu Hajar tingka.
As you are all aware that the ad hoc schools are privately run schools which have their own independent managing committees, and in the previous years government of Meghalaya has been providing aid to these privately run schools run by the managing committees, and certain amount of lump sum grant is given every month to these schools. There has been a demand from the teachers who are working in these private schools run by the management committees that this grant and aid which the government of Meghalaya gives should be enhanced. As you are aware, in the year 2017, in the month of June, there was an enhancement that was made at that point in time, and based on the different memorandums that have come, the Education Department has put up a proposal which the Cabinet discussed in detail, and we have decided to enhance the grant in aid to these privately run ad hoc schools. For the different categories that are there, the higher secondary, the secondary and the science teachers, the Cabinet has decided as that the enhancement will be 9,000 rupees for this category, which means the higher secondary teacher who used to get 24,000 will get 33,000 now. The secondary teachers who used to get 20,000 will get 29,000, and the science teachers who used to get 22,000 will get 31,000. The other category is the UP, the LP and the Hindi teachers, and also the 4th teacher of the SSA. In these 4 categories, we have decided to enhance the salary by 6,000, which means the upper primary teachers who used to get 16,000 rupees will now get 22,000 rupees. The LP school teachers who used to get 12,000 will get 18,000 rupees. The Hindi teachers who used to get 12,000 will also get 18,000 rupees. And the 4th teacher for the SSA who used to also get 12,000 rupees will get 18,000 rupees now. So the total impact of this will be roughly about 100 crores annually. So from 212 crores which is given now, in the coming years, every year the enhancement will go by, as I said, go up by about 100 crores. So roughly about 310 plus minus crores will be the impact. So there's about 100 crores impact will be there on the overall amount that the government will have to spend.